Hey everyone, my name is Rupam. Welcome to this brand new series where we'll be diving into Rust programming. In this series, we'll start right from the basics, including how to write your very first Rust program. Now, if you already know another programming language, that's great. You may be able to relate to it better. But don't worry if you're completely new to coding. I'll be explaining everything step by step, keeping beginners in mind. The goal is to make Rust fun to learn for everyone. So let's get started. Rust is relatively new programming language, especially when you compare it to long established ones like C, C++, Java, or Python. But despite being newer, Rust is growing incredibly fast and is quickly becoming a top choice for many developers. One of the biggest reasons for this is how Rust handles memory. It's known for being fast, safe, and great at handling concurrency, all while offering efficient memory management and strong type safety. Now, languages like C and C++ also give you low level control, which is why they are used for systems programming, but they require manual memory management, which often leads to issues like memory leaks or dangling pointers. Rust takes a different approach. Instead of manual memory management or relying on a garbage collector like some high level languages do, Rust uses a unique system with a set of rules that developers follow, giving you a safety without sacrificing performance. We'll get into the details of how this works later in the series. Rust was actually started as a personal project by Graydon Hoare back in 2006 while he was at the Mozilla Foundation. It became open source in 2010 and the first stable release came out in 2015. Today, Rust is used by many major tech companies. Thanks to its reliability and versatility, it's being adopted in all sorts of development, from WebAssembly, backend services, to even game development. According to Stack Overflow's annual surveys, Rust has been the most loved programming language for 8 years in a row. The Rust community is growing rapidly thanks to its increasing adoption in the tech world. Now, I'll be honest, Rust isn't quite as simple as dynamically typed languages like Python or JavaScript. Rather, its learning curve is on the complex side. But that doesn't mean it's hard to learn. In fact, I've seen quite a few people start their programming journey with Rust as their very first or second language. One of the best things about learning Rust is the amazing documentation available at rustlang.org. They have even published a full book called The Rust Programming Language. And yes, it's very beginner friendly. Personally, I think documentation is one of the best ways to learn any language. But if reading isn't your thing, no worries, you're in the right place. In this series, I'll walk you through the key concepts of Rust in a simple and approachable way. And of course, I'll drop these links in the description so you can explore further if you want. Alright, that's it for now. In the next video, we'll get Rust installed in your machine. So, see you there.